Hi, I'm Mike, and today we're going to try to figure out why a couple of these landscaping lights aren't working. Hey, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss anything. So I've got an area here where several of these landscape lights are not working at all. There's one there, and I've got another one kind of buried into this bush here, and they don't come on when the transformer comes on, so we're going to take a look at it. Okay, so here's my transformer. And this is the sensor here that turns the transformer on or off. When it's light, it's off. When it senses that it's dark, it turns the transformer on. So we have to trick it to make it think that it's dark. That's done with a piece of electrical tape. So there is a time delay on this switch that's going to be 30 seconds to 2 minutes. And I know that this light here will come on when that transformer comes on. So when it comes on, I know we're good. All right, so that light just came on. I know that the system is energized, so we'll go back into my problem area and see if we can troubleshoot it. All right, inside this bush is a tiny little light fixture, and the cover needs to come off. Now the power is on this. Sometimes these things are held in with a little screw, which is probably corroded off. There's the light bulb, and a little shake, nothing. So I'm gonna pull it out. And it may be just as easy as replacing a light bulb. I'm gonna show you first how to test the fixture. Now, obviously, if it's a bad light bulb, we're just gonna stick a new bulb in there and hope that's it. But assuming that's not it, I'm gonna use a multimeter, and this is the cheapest multimeter on the planet. I got it free from somewhere, I don't even know where. But basically you're going to take the two probes like this, and you're going to stick them in the two holes where the prods go. You can see there's one right there and the other one right next to it. So I need 3 hands here, so I'm going to put this camera in a holder. All right, I've got this multimeter set to AC volts, and I've got it set at the lowest setting, which is 200. They gave me 200 or 750 on it. So I've got it set to 250, and it doesn't matter which prod goes in which hole. We just want to stick one in each, and it should equal somewhere near 12 volts. And that's registering 12.5. So the bulb is getting power. The fixture is working great. So it's a matter of replacing the bulb. I've got a new bulb. These are 12 volt bulbs, by the way. And I got to about stand on my head to find the holes. There we go. Put the lid back on. And if I had a screw for it, I would stick that on there. Okay, so that's why that one is fixed. We'll go to the next one. All right, here's my next fixture. I'm going to take the rim off of that, and there isn't even a light. There's not even a light bulb in there, so I'm going to use my multimeter again. These are a lot easier to find, and there's no reading on it. And when you're doing this, you got to kind of jiggle them around in there. Sometimes these contacts are really bad, but no matter which way I turn it, I'm getting nothing. So it's either the fixture, the connection where the fixture attaches to the cable itself, and I would say it would possibly be the transformer if all the lights were out, but obviously they're not out because we just fixed one. Okay, so, well, hello, how about that? Guess what the problem is? This is really old. Look at all the rust on this. So this fixture is probably toast, so I wonder where we're going to find the cable. It should be around somewhere. There's the cable. Okay. All right. I'm going to go turn the power off on that transformer and see if we can get a new fixture and make it work. All right, so I got a new fixture. This is probably 15 or 20 bucks, I forget. This cable here, normally the cable would continue on to other fixtures. It looks like it terminated here, and so I've cut the end of it off that was all rusted and corroded and whatnot. And just a matter of threading it through this little tunnel here. And I don't know if you can see these electrodes. These tiny little spikes right in there. They're going to pierce through the cable and contact the power source, which is going to turn this fixture on. Now the nice thing for me right now is that I don't need to take this apart, but generally you would have just a cable laying there and you would have to just disconnect this whole thing and then screw it back together. So no big deal. So I'm just going to thread this through here, and I want to make sure that I get these two electrodes to pierce right where I need them to pierce. And tighten that up. And just to see if it works, I will turn the power back on. All right, well, I put my black tape over the transformer and I'm just waiting for this thing to come on now. And we have light. So I can adjust this light fixture with this little screw here, loosen this up and make it shine higher, lower, to get further in the ground, whatever. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.